Hello folks, it's gonna get me. And we're gonna be doing a bike ride around the block. We've got Nanners, Taco, and
our special guest Chase.
Oh no. We got Nanners, we got Taco, and we got Chase.
Well, he's our special guest.
Yeah.
He's a guest star.
I rarely come in.
Yeah, he's only been in like one video. Guys, can't stand up and ride. I can't stand. See, I'm riding my.
I'm gonna make a new goal here. If we break 200 likes, I will do something very special for y'all, and y'all can leave it in the comments. I don't care what it is. I'll do it. As long as it's nothing that will either kill me, break any bones in my body, or fracture or split. I will do anything. I will eat a whole thing of cinnamon.
Or make you sick.
Yeah. Or scared.
Or give you a sore throat or anything. Something not bad.
Or
I will eat the whole thing of cinnamon if we break 200 likes.
And subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. And
But
I'll do anything you all want me to.
no, 200 views.
Yeah, 200 views. You also can like if you want to. I mean, you also can also subscribe and like. Stop it! Anyways, guys, so if we hit 200 views on this video, I will do anything, but it can't involve me getting hurt or sick. It's okay.
Or breaking a bone. Or falling off a building.
that's getting hurt, right?
Well, it's just killing you.
So the thing is, I will do anything.
Give it.
I'll try to roast it in cinnamon.
I can't believe we got that much views. I didn't think we'd ever even get like 2 views. We only usually get like 30, 35. 70.
Oh, it's been popular than that.
200 views. Tell your friends about it. And tell them what gift I will do.
Where?
And if you want Matt,
Put a roach on you.
Eat a roach.
I'm not eating a roach. Good.
Yeah, you'll just throw up, so that's making them sick.
Basically,
See,
Remember.
put that there so nobody can ramp it. Like Chase did that one time.
you can make it. Yeah. Oh, well, he's back. Hey, I'm not the one he came at.
Oh my. So guys, I actually paused the video. I never told you. Second.
Remember, if we break that view goal, or if we get that many likes,
300.
Only been 3 minutes.
if we break that many likes or that many views, trust me, or subscribers, I will literally do anything. Remember, like I said, you can't get
Unless it's gay
or sick.
or gayness. I just took a picture of Jonathan while recording.
So
His phone can do that too.
remember that. And tell your friends about us if you want me to do that. And if you want Matt in this, just do it. Say Matt.
If we get enough views, get a better camera, and it will be a lot better.
And by the way, guys, if we hit 300 likes, Matt will come in automatically. But if y'all say Matt's name 10 times in the comics, he'll be in it. I said comics. Comics. He'll be in.
Okay, we're back. I paused because of the truck. Very loud.
I don't want to do it just because I want to become popular. I want to do this for fun. Me and Matt made this channel for fun. Didn't we, Matt?
Ah!
We didn't make this channel to get 5 million subscribers, to get 40,000 views on each video.
Not about the money.
Not about the money. We didn't. We also didn't want to. We just Like you.
I can't. That was you guys. I'm so sorry. I have no channel. I mean, nothing. No signal out here. It's only been 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
By the way, guys, this will be like 10 minutes. If it's not, by the time we get into our house, we'll do something else. Like, we'll add in a little bit of trampoline or hammock.
Experiment.
And look at that beautiful sunset behind us. That is beautiful.
I know.
Okay.
This is the second time we paused it.
Yeah.
How is it the third? We paused it about the Fetchman, and we paused it about the grasshoppers. I mean, like, what else are we going to pause it on? Also, you paused it about the guy that was not a policeman.
So, by the way, we want to tell you where Matt. We just tell him where our post office is and our PO box and all that crap.
Huh?
Yeah. We'll tell you where we live.
What about their address?
The address for the PO box.
Okay. That truck was being weird.
Not where we live.
And we're back. Sorry about all that cutting. It's just, I don't know.
I like to cut.
And some stuff we talked about.
Yeah.
Remember, we break that view goal. Anything.
Dude, you said the freaking view goal.
I'm just reminding them, Chase. Because, literally, if they want me to...
You said it like 4 freaking times.
I'll see you later, guys. Bye.